This video is for fine, thin to medium, natural curly hair. I have very fine, used to just be average amount of hair. It's kind of thin right now, but it is growing back. Hormones, dry shampoo. Now you can use dry shampoo when your hair is freshy clean for texture. This is Redken. I can put the links in the description box and mail you some. I am a licensed cosmetologist, so that's legal. So I just mostly spray it at the roots because your hair doesn't need it on the ends. I mean, maybe if you're really oily. I don't get oily, I get fuzzy, but I need the texture. Then I take half of my hair. You may have to do 3 sections or 2 sections, okay? Put this up because I don't know where my claw clamp is. All right. Now, this is what I have to do. Because I want that beachy, wavy look, that the ends look straight. Can't do that with natural wavy hair. So I straighten the ends of my hair with the straightener. Now, when I touch this up the next couple of days, I don't wash it. That was hairspray. This is Lonza brush through hairspray. I also use Kenra level 9. It smells like cotton candy, but it's at another location right now. So I have already put oil on my hair when it was wet as a protectant. So I'm just straightening those ends out a little bit. I'm not going all the way from roots to ends because I'm going to curl my hair, so it doesn't matter. Don't put the heat on there. I have more volume when I let my hair air dry, and it's one less heat on there. Some of you may not can do this. I'm gonna be doing these pure ends of the back. Since that's a really light hairspray, I can use that for my kind of setting spray. I know what you're thinking. Cut your hair up to where it comes out of your head because it's fried. I have done a big cut. I'm going through some stuff with my hair. Okay, so I got that done. So now we're gonna go back and put this up again to get this kind of straight because we're gonna curl it. And if you pulled it way up there, your hair would have more volume and shorter. But I don't. I want it kind of longer in the front and shorter in the back. So I got a pretty decent chunk. And this is for extra long hair. That's why the clamp only goes this far, but any curling iron will do. Okay, so then you clamp it there. Give it a little turn, leave your ends out like an inch or 2 depending on how long your hair is. I don't have this set on a very high setting. This won't look as good. I am sweating my bow donkey donk off. Take off and do it. So, see? Oh, and that one's kind of being kind of funky, so I can just kind of say, hey. Okay, that's it. Chunk on the other side. I'm going pretty big. The size of sections you take matters on the lick. Neither's right or wrong. It's just if you want that more natural, beachy type, natural curl. I don't know what they call this. And I should, because I'm a retired hairdresser. But anyway. And sometimes I do like that. If it's too kinked up, I can usually tell how I like it. So I'll start pulling on it before it cools. Because if you let it set and cool, that kind of sets your curl in. And around the face, this hair is weaker. Baby it, because it will break off and it's hard to grow and it's just a lot of stuff. Okay, see, that's it. Okay, now, again, some people might have to make 2 curls back here, so 4 all the way around. Not me. I wish I had that much hair. So 1 curl back here. Do the same thing. You can't really see the curl back there, but it's good enough for me today. See, let the ends out. Kinked it up. Sometimes I like that tighter curl so that it gives that longer look, you know, so you could do more sections back there to make a tighter curl. Okay. Then I'm pulling the rest of this down. I put my hair to this way, so kind of get your front one kind of where you want it to be parted. How about a new comb? Okay, so again, if I pull this way over here, I'm going to have more volume. If you go way from the hair growth, when you curl it, more volume. But I, you know, or so if I held it down there, I wouldn't have any volume. And I do like some volume towards the back. Leftover 80s girl, so I have to have some pump somewhere. Okay, same thing with this one. Put it to the side, pull it out. But wet and heat, it's a conductor of heat, so you can fry your hairs off, so be careful. Okay, let it set. If you have really heavy hair, which this is for fine hair, this tutorial, you can clamp it with a little bobby pin or a little clip to let it set. Okay. Now, if you don't want a curled bang, you could pull that out right now. How about hair drop? I need to get my hair done so bad. It's been 3 years, might be 4 years in March, since I went to a professional. I just keep doing it myself, and you can tell. Okay. It's not the money. It is the time. I don't have time to sit down that long, so I just keep doing it myself. I mean, sometimes I do it to save money. I buy something, and I'm like, okay, I won't get my nails done this month to justify that, because I do spend money on my nails. Yeah, girl math. I heard that that's the term for that. Pump it up a little bit. Okay. So again, I want some volume under here on this layer. So I'm going up away, and then leave the ends out. See? Oh, see? It's got that big. This is an inch and a quarter size curling iron. I do have an inch, and I do use that. Sometimes I just use a bigger. Oh, look, that's going to be really curly since there's less hair. So I'm not putting hairspray on it. And I'm going to go real fast or it'll be way too kinked up over here. You could spray it again here and let that dry. Some people take a wide tooth comb, pick, brush, and brush it all the way through. That's that good, luscious $1 million hair is what I used to call it when I did, of course, and $2 million hair inflation. But with fine hair, I have found that's not the best. It just looks fuzzy. So then I just do it with my fingers, and you just pull it.
So sometimes I just kind of put some hairspray on there and kind of smooth that, because fine hair, and especially with some natural curl in it, buzz. So smooth those puppies out a little bit.